Okay, right. So in question C, they say that if the straight line distance of the track F to C is 374 kilometers and it takes 50 hours to build 1 kilometer of the track, determine the number of hours it will take to build the section E to D. Now, for me to do that, I'm gonna first say, so I'm gonna use a different color, which is good. I'm gonna say that let FC equals to P, right? Now remember, so if I say that let FC, that means that FC will be P, right? And then another thing that I need you to get, we also determined from our previous question, right? We found that in our previous question that F, the ratio of F, sorry, I'm gonna say the ratio of FE over FC, we found it to be 4 over 11. So we found that from our previous question, the ratio of FE was 4 over 11. Now we can say that FE over small letter p equals to 4 over 11. And to find FE alone, it's basically going to be equals to 4 over 11p. So let me go just write that. So FE now, I just find it to be 4, that's 4 over 11p. Now what I need to find is going to be DC. Right now to find DC, I'm gonna use a different color, which is purple. Now to find DC, I'm gonna say that CD over CF will be equals to AG over AF, right? And the reason for that is because AC is parallel to GD, then proportionality theorem. Proportionality theorem. Okay, now AG, we know that AG is 9y, and then AF, we know that it's 17y, right? We're gonna say basically that ratio will be 9 over 17, right? So we have CD over CF being equals to 9 over 17. Now remember, I just said that CF for FC is P, so I will say that CD over P equals to 9 over 17. So basically CD or DC will be 9 over 17 multiplied by P. So that one will be 9 over 17 multiplied by P. Right, now I'm gonna use a different color again, which is red. Now to find ED is gonna be equals to FC minus FE minus DC, right? So I'm gonna say equals to, now remember FC is P minus FE, we found it to be 4 over 11p minus, and then DC is 9 over 17p. Then I'm gonna say equals to, so p is basically just saying 1 minus 4 over 11 minus 9 over 17, and the answer that I get there, I get 20 over 187p. Right, now remember, in the question we are given that FC is equals to 347. We are given that FC equals to 347 kilometers. Therefore, P is actually equals to 374 kilometers, right? Now to calculate ED, now we can say that ED is going to be equals to 20 times 187 multiplied by 374 kilometers. Then we're gonna say equals to, right? So we're gonna say 20 over 187 multiplied by 374 bracket. The answer that we get there, we get 40 kilometers, right? But now the question is not asking for the distance of ET. They are asking determine the number of hours it will take to build one section from E to D, right? Now, can you also see that in the question they say that it takes 50 hours to build 1 kilometer? So I'm going to create a ratio. So we have 50 hours to build 1 kilometer. But for me now, I just found 40 kilometers. So I'm actually looking for that value over there. Now to find that value, basically I'm gonna say that it's gonna be, so I'm gonna just say that time equals to 40 kilometers multiplied by 50 hours divided by 1 kilometer. And if you do that, the hours that you're gonna get, it will be 2000 hours. All right. Now to put it in words, you're gonna say that it will take 2000 hours to build track to build no sorry to build the track from E to D, from E to D. Alright, and then basically this should be your answer. Hopefully that's understandable.